Welcome back to the adventure. Today we're getting in the backcountry of Colorado and then cruising some questionable terrain out in Arizona. In part 1, we loaded up Dylan's Tacoma and hit the road in the craziest ice conditions I've ever seen. We saw semi-trucks that were blown apart, but finally made it to the mountains of Colorado and shredded some of the most unbelievable conditions.
You get a break, you know.
It's damn hard to beat a day like that. Snow started falling from the sky, and we were beyond excited about our next day backcountry skiing. We went down into Pagosa Springs and got a room at this awesome natural hot spring place, rested up for a big day. The next day was an absolute dream. It was endless powder, and me and Max were grinning ear to ear the entire day. Within the first turns, I knew these were some of the best conditions I've ever skied. And Max was at a disadvantage. He's a snowboarder, but opted for the skis today. He was on his Rosignol scaled ski, which is a full-size backcountry ski with scales on the bottom. So he's just clipped in at the toe, and he's always has a loose heel. And you can see him here. Riding this thing like a freaking sled, just barely getting to the bottom every time. It was a blast.
Dude, this snow is so deep.
Golly.
Should we ski into that way and across, or is it too
Go
up and around?
and down there.
Wow. Should we just ski these trees? These look dope.
We were having so much fun, we didn't know what to do with ourselves. We kept stopping to regroup and asking ourselves, do you want to continue down or should we start hiking back up?
The track is up there.
Yeah, it probably skates around though. So what do we do? You want to just start hiking from here or go down these woods a little?
Down these woods.
And we'll follow the ravine to this track. Hit it. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh! You good? You alright? Yeah, boy. Dude, this is insane. Whoa.
These are the kinds of moments where I do not want to stop. It is just too much fun laughing and just barreling down the mountain with friends. But we were smart, got to the bottom of this valley, and decided to have some burritos before I transitioned, put my skins on, and we hiked up the hill. And Max was all scaled up, and he's always amped, running around, hitting all the side features he can.
Oh! No!
Oh.
We refueled with the burritos and made our way back to the top of the mountain to get some more shredding in.
Oh! Wow. Are you kidding me? Go this way. Oh. Yeah, keep up. Keep that boy, I'll follow you. Oh.
Yeah!
And just like that, we're back at the bottom. damn do those runs go quick. But
Right.
we are amped up still, so we ran back to the top and get up for a beautiful sunset. We take our time
Yeah,
down
there's
the
a
last
lot.
steep bit of the day, and Max is pretty beat, taking a few heavy spills on the way down.
Oh! You good?
What do you say?
He keeps his chin up, and we get to the bottom safely.
Yo! Dude. What up, Reese? Is it unreal up there? Whole different world, brother.
Let's get it.
Unreal.
Do it.
Look at these tracks, man.
You guys ready to get to Flagstaff?
We were having too much fun to go to Flagstaff right away, so Max convinced Dylan to let him run around on the scaled skis for a little bit, and I tossed the GoPro on him to see what his life looks like, and holy cow does he go.
Give us a little tour.
Get in here, boys. Gotta get all the skis in.
The fucking tailgater.
Okay.
This is the survivors.
This is where Duncan and Max like mess all the order up. You sleep up here and you sleep down there.
You sleep here, co-pilot here.
Dude, it's starting to get bad, guys. We gotta go.
Dude, Duncan is a powder hound. Dude, Dunker's powder hungry.
I love the powder hounding, dude.
If you can't already tell, Dylan was amped to get over to Flagstaff. So we packed up and hit the road and did an all-nighter to get there around 2 a.m. We did a recovery day, got some breakfast at the diner, went for a mountain bike ride, and then when Nils was off work, we got on the skis, got the skins going again, and wow, were the conditions different.
Oh!
Well, it was definitely nice to be in the dry desert, but the snow was not dry, that's for sure. It was damp and dense, yet very thin. There were rocks poking through everywhere, but it felt awesome to be out there in that country. We made our way up the Humphreys Summit Trail and stopped at the saddle in between Agassiz and Humphreys Peak to transition and get ready for the ride down.
Your head! Your head!
What's going on, boys?
Hey,
Let's get it, beast.
this is a casual walk to the top.
Is that yours? That was me. I just started it for you. I'd be a solid.
And just like that, 3 turns into the descent, and I destroy my skis with some rocks. But hey, that's the way it goes. Let me tell you what, this Arizona snow is not for the faint of heart. It grabs your skis every turn, just about. And with these dense woods, you really gotta be pointing where you want to go.
Oh! Unreal. Unreal. Oh! Yeah, boy. Hit the dope, goalie. No, you got him. Yo. Oh. Wow, this is so soft now. Oh! Jesus. Yeah. No, this is not.
Hey, woo, yeah, boy.
And as we got to the bottom, our journey was beginning to end. It was an absolute adventure getting out to this side of the country through ice storms, but with good company and good friends, we made it out there with smiles on our faces and lots of laughs. So, thanks everyone for making it happen. Can't wait for the next trip. Always hankering to get back there. And we'll see you next time.